Hope you are well. In the description of this video, today I am going to share IMEI-INFO file of Huawei phone. Many times when we flash the phone, the IMEI-INFO partition of the phone crashes due to installation of wrong files. And the phone reads encountering network-related issues. Or the phone's serial numbers get corrupted. It can also happen that the keyboard of the phone disappears from the phone. So all these phone problems can be solved by writing the files given in the description. These files can be written on the phone with the help of professional tools like Octopus Box or Sigma, etc. Remember that these files are completely free. Password 1234 is to be given while extracting files. On this channel we keep uploading such valuable information and paid files for free every day. You can also get this facility forever by subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to like the video. And remember in prayers.